Well, we worked hard all weekend getting all the stuff in, and we got little Dan here helping us out, filling in the last part of the onions.
Right here, buddy.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, sundial says it's 5 o'clock and it's right there on the spot. Yeah, Dan's spreading the fertilizer, as we say. Can you say hi to everybody, Danny? You say hi to the camera? Yeah, he's going to spread some dirt around. There you go.
Getting lazy?
Must be going to have a career as a big league manager. He's learning how to dust off the plate now. The old rally killer.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, Dan, take a walk through the garden. Come on. Watch out, those are thorns. There you go. Don't throw them on my feet.
Daniel.
Go that way. Go see Daddy. Go farther. No, never mind throwing it on my feet. Keep going. I know, those are nice, ain't they? That's pretty funny. Just throwing dirt on my feet.
Come here, pal. Come on, come and play.
There I am. Love my mirrors. Get to see a lot of stuff. Here I am, shadow and all. Yeah, here he is. The next little guy. Dr. Demolition. Yeah, he found out about dirt today. Yeah, he shoveled a lot of stuff out today. Here I am again, and you can't see much of me. Another one of my mirrors. Had some old thresholds that had for a number of years sitting over the side of the yard. Put them up like little posts, and they look quite nice actually. This will be the flower garden. Waiting to see what comes up again this year. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good one. It's the early morning garden, late evening gardening tour.